Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to lock any folder in Windows 10 without software. This is the pro method. This is an effective method if you share your laptop with family or friends who have their own guest accounts, or if you want to make a folder unclickable on your own account until you manually re-enable it. So for this you need to right click on the folder and select the properties, and then select the security tab and click the edit button. You will need admin right for this, and now select the administrator rights. In the permission box below, check the deny box next to the full control, and then click apply, and you will see that there is a warning pop-up message. Click yes and click OK and click OK. So what happens if anyone tries to open the folder, window will show an access denied error. When he will want to continue, this will the message appear in the private folder. You have been denied permission to access this folder. So get back into, you have to repeat the steps and uncheck the deny boxes. For this you need to right click on the properties, go to the security tab, click on the edit and click the administrative and uncheck the deny boxes and click apply. OK, and now open it. Now this folder is open again. So this way you can lock any folder in Windows 10 without software. So this is the pro method. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.